problem fix, unable to authorize TikTok iPhone. If you're getting the unable to authorize, please try again error on TikTok on your iPhone, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to fix it. Let's start with a basic step. Make sure your internet connection is stable. An unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is one of the most common cause of this issue. Simply swipe from the top and simply tap on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Simply turn it off and simply turn it back on. Try switching to Wi-Fi or check if mobile data is on as well. Next, what you need to do is, if that didn't work, simply power off and restart iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears, then slide to turn off your phone. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again and turn it back on. Next, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the TikTok app. This can remove any temporary files that might be causing the issue. Open TikTok, go to your profile and tap three dots. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on free up space. And here you can find cache. Simply tap on clear. You can also delete the downloads as well. And last step, what you can do is simply check if there's an update on TikTok. Go to App Store, search for TikTok, and if there's an update available, simply update it. And that's it. These are still some steps which will help you to log into TikTok now without any issues.